Can I be honest here? The extreme heat that we're getting here at Zone 7B in New York is taking a toll on my raised bed and my beautiful flowers. It's so hot sometimes that I don't even want to come out in my garden to water. You may not know this, but I use a hose to water my garden. That's right. Yes, a hose. We've been getting heat wave after heat wave after heat wave. So I decided to do something different to save my plants and veggies. RainPoint was gracious enough to send me this Wi-Fi water timing system. It's a smart device, and I'm hoping that it's not only going to save me time in my garden from watering, but also help reduce my water bill. So me and my husband are going to demonstrate how this smart device works. This is a close-up of the box. It's a one-zone Wi-Fi water timer. It's perfect for small gardens like mine. So let's see what we have in here. We have the Wi-Fi water timer, the Wi-Fi gateway, the manual guide, the quick guide, and the Type-C USB cable. The package also contains a special gift. It's Teflon tape, and it wraps around to prevent leaks. A spare filter where you can use for if you have a broken filter, and a spare rubber washer to repair leaky faucet connections. So the first thing you have to do with this system is set up the app. And you know I'm not really tech savvy. Oh gosh. Which remote do you use, the TV again?
It's this one, Mom.
Oh, okay, thanks. How do you turn it on again? It's this red button. What? Okay, there you go. Can't even operate the remote control, right?
No, you really can't do it at all. But you do have to set up the app so you can have a plan. It's relatively easy. I would say a kid could do it.
Okay, let's see. I hope I can do it now. So guys, you're looking at the home page, and what I really like about this is that you can set up different watering plans according to your needs.
We have one plan that's set up for dawn. So it starts at 7 o'clock in the morning, and it runs for 10 minutes. And we do that every day. Then the next plan, which is plan 2, we set up starts at 11 o'clock, and it runs for, let me click on it real quick for you. It starts at 11 o'clock, and it runs for a total of 4 hours. But during that 4-hour time period, it waters for 10 minutes every 30 minutes. So thus, during the hot part of the day, when the plants really need water, it'll consistently keep the soil wet enough so that the ground does not dry out.
So, hon, you know I always try to avoid watering at night because the mosquitoes just love me.
Well, I did set up a plan for dusk because of the mosquitoes, and that starts at 7 o'clock. And again, does it for 10 minutes so you get the watering that you need, so you don't have to be outside for the mosquitoes.
Oh, that's really great because I really hate the mosquitoes, and I can stay inside.
So you can see my husband is setting up the timer to the hose, and we'll see what happens.
All right. We got success here. Oh, wow. The raised bed looks so much better. You can see it working right here. My veggies are looking better already. And my tomatoes, the watering system is looking really good, and it's working as it should. Oh my goodness, no more pulling out hoses. I am so happy that it's now watering on its own. This is supposed to be a smart system, and I really like it because I don't have to pull out any more hoses. But it's supposed to rain later this week. I mean, is it going to stay on? See, there's a rain delay button.
Yep, you hit the rain delay button, turns it on, and then it sets up the delay. You can have it not turn on for 24 hours, 48 hours, or 72 hours. I have it set for only 24 hours. You hit the confirm.
The next day, we changed it to a longer rain delay because, as you can see, it's raining here in New York City. So the rain delay feature really comes in handy. All in all, we've been using this system for about a week, and I think what I love about it so much is the convenience. We were able to take a couple's night out, and we forgot to water, and all my husband needed to do was pull out the phone, connect to the Wi-Fi app, and then we knew that the plants were able to be watered back at home. And that's something that we did not have before. We actually had to water from home. With this system, you can water anywhere you want. You can be at the job or at the office or with your friends. And if you forget to water, you just turn on the system and it will automatically water for you. And that's the best part I like about it, is the convenience that it gives and the peace of mind.
Guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. Did I tell you I'm really excited about using this system? Hopefully, watering my garden will no longer feel like a chore. If you are interested in RainPoint or other products they have, you should check out their website. All of that is in the description. Thank you so much for joining me. Stay cool.